Namaskar dosto. Today is 13th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. This is a weekly wrap video on Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and Hero MotoCorp, where we'll talk about the trend, critical levels and my trade plan and my position management for the coming week. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Now, when we look into Motabai, there is Reliance Industries. What we see is that on weekly basis, it has closed definitely above all the moving average. And last 2 weeks, or almost from one, two, three, fourth, this is the fourth consecutive week of green candle, and it has shown some fantastic move in specifically in last 2 week. Now, when we say that it has closed almost above 50, 20, and 8, so definitely an uptrend, forming kind of a doji, but we need to look for one more candle for confirmation. But as of now, on weekly basis, Reliance is definitely an uptrend. Now, on daily chart, this is where I would prefer to trade the Reliance or manage Reliance. Uh, what we see here is that Motabai is closed above 8, above 20, above 15, above 200, so definitely an uptrend. It is very clearly seen that Motabai is consolidating between 2157 and 2241, which is very strong support and resistance respectively. So 2157 is a very strong support now, mainly because of my blue magical and black magical line. I use a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then check out my video on trade setup. Now this weekly L3 is now at 2190, which is also closer to my black magical line. So now the first support for Reliance is definitely at 2190, and the second support is at 2160. So my trade plan for Reliance is definitely buy on dip, uh, with a stop loss at 2149 for this week target of 2236 or 2239. And for any reason, if Reliance breaks out from 2240, then that will become another breakout entry in Reliance with a stop loss below 2136. So that's the trade plan for Reliance. As a defensive trader, look for any dip towards 2157 to buy with a stop loss at 21549. Now let's look into HDFC Bank. Now when we look into HDFC Bank, on weekly basis, HDFC Bank has formed after two consecutive doji a red bar. So this is almost a confirmation of a reversal towards downward side. And but it is still close above 20, above 8, and above 50 and 200. So definitely in uptrend, but with a strong sign on a weekly basis, a reversal pattern is seen here. So this is the extreme reversal pattern 4, where after a doji you see another confirmation candle which defines the trend or trend. So or a sign of a reversal. So market was going up and you see a reversal pattern here. So this shows that HDFC Bank is going down. Now HDFC Bank, let's see on daily chart. So on daily basis, we see that HDFC Bank is closed below 8, just above below 20, and below above 50 and above 200. So it is since closed below 20 or marginally below 20. I still say that it is in downtrend. So now HDFC Bank will have a very strong support at 1470, and so I believe in this kind of companies. So my idea is that any dip for at least a monthly horizon, if you want to keep it, then any dip here is a very good buying opportunity. So any dip towards HDFC Bank uh, towards 147 should be bought with a stop loss of 1459, or if you want to keep a smaller stop loss, then 1469. But any dip towards 1470 should be bought for a target of 1498. And if 1498 is broken, then the next resistance for this month is at 1520 That could be the immediate target for HDFC. And if 1520 is gone, then the next target is at 1555. So HDFC Bank, although this week it is looking negative, but it will have a strong support at 1470. So any dip towards 1470 should be bought with a stop loss at 1459. Now let's look into Hero MotoCorp. So Hero MotoCorp, again on weekly basis, we see that it has shown a first red bar, but it is closed below 20, above 8 and above 200, but still below 20. So this is definitely on weekly basis is turned bearish or it's negative. Now on daily chart, it has closed below 200, below 8 and just about 20. So this is almost like a consolidation scenario, but since about 20 and below 200, so this is very tricky. But I would say that this is a mixed signal, so it may consolidate here for a very long time. So now HDFC Hero MotoCorp, definitely the strategy is buy on dip towards any dip towards 2936. So anything which you buy towards 2936 should be bought with a stop loss of 2929. So any dip towards 2936 should be bought for a target of 3080. And if for any reason in this week it closes above 3080 or above say 303100, then it's a breakout trade for a target of 3153. And then definitely 3500. That is what it has maximum lifetime high. Yeah, 3500. So I'm hoping that it will touch 3500. Let's see. They say, that you should not trade what you feel, you should trade what you think. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.